If you share your project workbook with others, people who need to contribute information to the worksheets, or simply just keep an eye on the project, you run the risk of unwanted edits. To prevent that, use the Protect Workbook and/or Protect Worksheet buttons on the Review tab. Each resulting dialog box allows you to set a password that people must know in order to open the workbook or worksheet, depending on which dialog box you use. You can use both if you really want to control things, or to apply protection to just one or two sheets within an otherwise open workbook that people can edit as desired. To apply a password to a worksheet, type it into the password box. Be sure it's a password you won't forget, because there's no way to reset it if you do forget it. In the list below that, check the items that people who don't have the password can do. The defaults are selecting cells, which is pretty safe to allow. If you leave just those checked, only people with the password can do more than that. To apply even more specific control, you can use the Allow Edit Ranges button to specify ranges of cells which can be edited once the worksheet password is entered. Just click the New button and then name and then select the range of cells and click OK. You can also create a range-specific password. The Protect Workbook dialog box lets you set a password that protects the workbook's structure, the way the sheets are laid out, the addition, deletion, or rearranging of sheets. This means that people without the password can't make any changes to the way your workbook is designed, but they can, unless you've used Protect Worksheet to define what they can do in the cells, do whatever they want to your data.